Do you have a ratchet that doesn't ratchet anymore? That's what we're fixing today on Burnouts and Rotor Blades. Welcome to the Burnouts and Rotor Blades YouTube channel. Let's go do something awesome. Most good tool manufacturers make rebuild kits, like the rebuild kit for this Craftsman 1/4 inch drive ratchet, part number 44807. The kit number for this particular ratchet is 43424, and I got it from that Jungle website. After getting the snap ring out, we can see that the insides were pretty grody, with the ratcheting teeth basically worn smooth. Only a few tools are needed to do this whole job: the snap ring pliers that you saw a second ago, a flathead screwdriver, and a custom tool we'll talk about in a little while. Don't freak out when this ball bearing goes flying across the workbench into hardware oblivion. The repair kit comes with a new one. The spring was pretty compressed after years of abuse, so it's got to go as well. I'll douse this thing with a half a can of brake clean and then we can start the reassembly. I loosely followed the instructions and added whatever engine oil was left in the bottom of the used quart from the trash. The spring and ball bearing can go in, but before we can go on, we have to talk about that specialty tool. The kit doesn't come with this tool, but it's easily enough to make. After a quick look through the instructions, I crudely cut a piece of soft brass to do the same job, something the thickness of a business card. Once we dip our balls into the oil, we can use this precision machine specialty tool to thumb our ball deep into the hole. Be gentle if it's your first time. Reassembly is in the reverse order of assembly, and this piece goes with the flat side out. This is something I didn't pay close enough attention to during disassembly, and this is probably the biggest benefit of recording this for a YouTube video. The instructions specifically say not to use grease, which was my first thought when it came to lubrication. Since there is no seals to hold the oil in, I try to be conservative when lubing up the internals. Everything went together easily. It probably would have been easier with the correct snap ring pliers, but it's done now. The whole ordeal only took about 10 minutes, but it would have been less if I wasn't filming. This ratchet op-checked good now. We'll make sure to put it in the off position so the batteries don't die. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.